Hello, in this video, we'll be showing you how to file a corporate return. This is a logged in activity, so you must have a Maine tax portal username and be logged in to do this. We'll start off on the logged in homepage. We're going to begin by navigating to the corporate income tax panel and selecting the option to view returns. Then we'll select File Now for the period for which we'd like to file. We'll begin with a series of yes or no questions. Anything required is indicated by a red asterisk. Once you've answered the necessary questions, you may continue. Next is preparer information. You'll fill this out as it applies. And then we have the federal income page. So you'll fill out your federal taxable income based on the number on your federal return. Next are the subtractions and additions pages. These are not required. You should simply fill them out as they apply to you and your situation. At the bottom of the additions page, it will auto-calculate based on what you've entered for subtractions and additions. And what remains will be your adjusted federal taxable income. On the next page, your tax is calculated for you based on the information entered prior in the return. And then you'll have schedule pages based on what you've entered so far. For what we've entered today, we'll have schedules A, C, and D. Next is the payments and credits page. If you have estimated tax payments or withholding, you'll fill them in here. Non-refundable and refundable credits will calculate based on earlier entries. Then at the bottom, there's a section for tax due or overpayment, whichever applies based on what you've entered. Here we have a tax due. Next is the attachments page, and we ask that you attach a copy of your federal return. You can also attach any supporting documents for tax credits that you've claimed. When you've added all necessary attachments, you'll continue on to the next page. Because we have a balance, it's going to ask if we'd like to make a payment at this time. We're going to say yes. You'll be asked whether you're paying with a checking or savings account. You'll be asked for your bank routing number, your account number, and your account number again to confirm. You'll also be asked whether you'd like to save this payment channel for future use. For the purposes of this demonstration, payment channel essentially means payment method. The payment date will default to today, and the amount will default to the total. You can change both of these if you'd like. Either way, you'll be asked to confirm the amount again. Next is a summary of all the information that's been entered thus far. Once you've confirmed that this is correct, you may continue on. Then you'll be asked to declare that the return is truthful and correct, and enter the name of the person filing. Then you may click Submit. As always, we do encourage you to make note of your confirmation number for your own records. That concludes our demonstration of filing a corporate return. Thank you all for watching.